Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights. First, find a flat area and park your vehicle about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and your fuel tank is at least half full for an accurate reading. Then, mark the horizontal and vertical center lines of your headlights on the wall. This initial setup is crucial for achieving precise headlight alignment. Now, let's find those adjusters. Pop open your hood and look closely at the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 adjustment screws per headlight. One screw is for vertical adjustment, moving the beam up or down. The other screw handles horizontal adjustment, shifting the beam left or right. Knowing which screw does what is key to a successful adjustment. With your marks ready, it's time to adjust. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench, depending on your vehicle's screws. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to bring the top edge of the low beam cutoff to about 2 inches below your marked headlight center. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam. Make small, quarter-turn adjustments, checking the beam pattern after each turn. After adjusting, take a moment to double-check everything. Ensure both headlights are aimed consistently and symmetrically. The low beam cutoff should be level and clear. Take your vehicle for a short drive, perhaps around the block, to confirm the adjustments are stable and provide optimal visibility. Correctly aimed headlights significantly enhance your night driving safety and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.